Presenting a pre-owned 2007 Chevrolet Tahoe LTZ. This four-door SUV has an 8-cylinder, 5.3-liter V8 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Chevrolet has less than 155,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 14 miles per gallon in the city, and 20 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include front air conditioning, airbags, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, battery saver, external temperature display, child seat anchors, parking sensors, power door locks, stability control, traction control, trailer hitch, power windows, rear privacy glass, and window defogger.